Yo bro, in this video I'm going to show you how to make money as a little kid. No disrespect to little kid, no disrespect to anyone. Little kid I mean from 12, 13, 14. Sorry that I called them kids, sorry. I didn't put it well. Let me say as a teenager. Hmm? 10, 12, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, yeah, and all, and so on and so forth. So as a student, as a upcoming youth, let me just show you something. Even if you're in Africa, even if you're in South Africa, even anywhere, even if you're in Asia, even if you're in Australia, this strategy can work for you. You need to do it. Anywhere in the world, you need to do it. If you don't have any money, you need to do this strategy. It's the only part, bro. It's the only part to be financially free. I swear. Sorry that I'm swearing, but I'm serious. It's the only part, bro. That is the only part to be financially free. You don't need to say it another time. That's the only way to be financially free. Should I scream more? Should I say it more? You can't do anything with job, bro. You can't do anything with a job. You get me? Let me blow your mind. How to blow your mind? Let's go to this app. Let me show you it. Robot cooking. See, then you tell me that you'll be working like this. Huh? See people. They're scared that this robot will take their job. Then you so then you are there. Oh, let's play it again. See, then you are there saying you want to follow what you love. They'll take it and drive you out the hell out. To kick your ass out. Sorry for the statement. Who are you? That is the matrix, bro. Don't listen to your parents if they are really advising you. See people. Let them employ another robot tomorrow, but those people are out of the game. They are out of the game. You see why I say you should get a sustainable business. Even as you're finished. If you don't start the business, that means you just telling someone to put a gun on your head and you just want to commit suicide, bro. Bro, 20 years from now, 30 years from now, 40 years from now, all this job you're seeing is not going to be available anymore. Can't you put that into your score? Let that sink in. Let that sink in. Those jobs, you won't see it again. Do you know how many homeless people are going to be potential homeless people? They're already homeless people. I'm already seeing them. I'm witnessing them. But by then, to be very common, it's like being homeless is like a good thing. So, bro, come on, bro. It's 2024. The year is about to end. Take action in the end of the video. I'll tell you something what to do in the end of the video. Just do it, bro. You don't want this robot to take your job, bro, and throw you in the bin. Sorry. Bro, I'm scared of your future, bro. I'm just scared, bro. I swear. I'm sorry, mate. I'm just being worried. I'm just being worried. So this guy is a teenager. I don't want to say kid. If I say kid, some people say it's disrespect, but it's a teenager. See, look at how many videos has uploaded. Just 15 videos. Was able to accumulate 1.2 million views. 1 million people have seen his videos. 1 million people have seen his videos. Let that sink in. Just 15 videos, 1 million people have seen his videos. And you imagine he promoted something in this video, or yes, have ad revenue. At least he has seen in his life, in his account, $10,000 at least. At least. With all these views, if he doesn't know how to monetize, if he didn't monetize it, he's dumb. But I trust him. We'll see how much he's talking about. So he knows. So he has many. He's supposed to understand that you need to monetize his stuff. So bro, wake up. This boy makes more money than you. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? Hmm? Come on. Ain't you ashamed of yourself, bro? Hmm? Makes money more than your dad also. It's not because he's the strongest. He work smart, not work hard. He work smart. Bro, wake up. Just wake up, bro. If you want to go to Social Blade, if you want to really understand, go to Social Blade. This is his name, Daniel Beaton. Copy his username. Put it here. Daniel Beaton. 100k views this month. That means it's going to make like 1k, 2k, 3k, 4k. That's the amount it's going to make. At least it's not possible you can make that amount. That is so it is right. It is, guys, you understand? Get me? So that's what I'm trying to tell you. At least 100,000 people you can promote anything, a one-on-one coaching, anything, through brand days, through, there's a lot, there's many things. So bro, you want to be financially free, don't you ever fail to click the link in descriptions. Those two links can change your entire life. Not can, it will change your entire life. Just take action. Don't just say, hmm, it's wasting of time. Just click the link in the description, the two links description. Take action in the two. You need to have knowledge, bro. You need to upgrade your brain, bro. As for me, I'm out.